today's video, I'll be making a fall arrangement, but this is going to be totally different. We're not even going to use a vase. We're going to use a paper towel holder with a variety of different flowers. I'll show you how to do it. Come along for the journey. The first thing I did was I actually cutted one of these to down there. I'll show you what I mean. That's how long they was. That's how much I cut it off. The reason is, I'm putting it on the bottom. And you just put it in there. And you want it to go through there like that. And then the next one you put on will be the yellow one. I used the orange one before. So you just shove it in like that. And you're going to shove this one in on top. So it goes in like that. It'll go down like that. So that's freestanding. And then you're going to shove this one in between them. And they'll go down like that. And prop up like that. Now, I'll show you what it looks like in front. This is what it looks like in the front. If you want to secure it more, you can actually use floor tape and tape one of the stems to the paper towel holder. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.